If you want to turn on or off battery protection on Poco F8 Ultra, you have to start by opening settings. And right now you will have to scroll down and navigate into the battery options. When you are here, just go to the battery protection. And as you can see over here, we got three options: to charge fully, and this is basically protection for nothing. It's just not protecting your battery at all. So if you want to turn off battery protection, you have to select charge fully. But if you want to actually extend battery life, you will have to select this one, battery protection, short description, what it does, and also the intelligent charging. So it will extend the battery lifespan, and the system, the HyperOS, will learn how we charge our device, and it will actually stop charging when battery level reaches 80% in some situations. So as you can see, we got three options. If you want to turn it on, you have to use one of the following option, or if you want to turn it off, you have to select charge fully.